Did you know many Japanese cars reach 300,000 to even 500,000 miles on their original fuel injectors? No replacements, no expensive cleanings, no injector failures. That's not because Japanese fuel is magical. It's because Japanese drivers and mechanics follow a completely different maintenance mindset. They don't wait for symptoms like misfires, rough idle, or poor fuel economy. They focus on prevention, discipline, and small habits repeated consistently over years. In this video, we are going to break down the Japanese methods to keep fuel injectors clean forever. These methods are so effective that injectors simply don't get the chance to clog. Let's dive in. Method number 9. Never letting the fuel tank run low. In Japan, letting your fuel tank drop close to empty is considered mechanical abuse, not convenience. Japanese mechanics know that all fuel tanks collect sediment, rust particles, and moisture over time, no matter how clean the fuel is. That contamination always settles at the bottom of the tank. When the fuel level gets low, the pump is forced to suck in this dirty fuel and send it directly toward the injectors. This debris doesn't clog injectors instantly. It slowly coats the injector tips, distorts the spray pattern, and ruins precise fuel atomization. Over thousands of miles, this leads to rough idle, hesitation, and weak acceleration. In contrast, Japanese drivers refill once the tank reaches about 1/4, avoiding that dirty bottom layer entirely. Over time, this simple habit alone can push injector lifespan well past 200,000 miles, and in many cases toward 300,000 plus miles without ever needing replacement. This also keeps the fuel pump cool and extends its life too. Method number 8. Occasional high RPM engine operation. One surprising Japanese method is intentionally allowing the engine to reach higher RPM ranges, not for performance, but for cleaning action. Fuel injectors are designed to atomize fuel better at higher temperatures and steady flow. If an engine lives only in low-speed stop-and-go traffic, carbon and varnish deposits accumulate much faster. When the engine is brought up to higher RPMs under load, such as highway merging or controlled acceleration, the increased fuel flow and heat help clean injector tips naturally. This is not reckless driving, it is controlled engine exercise. Japanese drivers often do this once or twice a week, especially after city driving. It keeps the injector spray pattern sharp, prevents uneven fuel delivery, and maintains proper combustion efficiency. Engines that never see higher RPMs almost always develop dirty injectors faster. Method number 7. Using fuel additives. One major difference between Japanese maintenance culture and Western habits is how fuel additives are used. In Japan, fuel additives are not used every service. They are used only when needed. Many workshops in the US recommend cleaning injectors every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, but that's a general guideline. Japanese mechanics only recommend injector cleaners when there are early signs of deposit buildup, such as slight hesitation or reduced mileage. When used, they prefer high-quality PEA-based cleaners and use them sparingly, often once every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. Constant additive use can loosen debris too quickly, but can also cause partial injector blockage instead of cleaning. The Japanese mindset is simple. Fuel additives are tools, not vitamins. Use them only when the engine asks for them. Method number 6. Strict air filter maintenance. Japanese drivers understand something many people overlook. Fuel injectors depend heavily on clean air to stay clean themselves. A dirty air filter disrupts the air-fuel ratio, which forces injectors to compensate by adjusting spray timing and fuel volume. This imbalance causes incomplete combustion, which produces soot and carbon that eventually migrate back toward injector tips. Over time, this leads to clogged spray nozzles and uneven fuel delivery. In Japan, air filters are checked frequently and replaced earlier than many factory schedules recommend. Clean air allows injectors to operate at their design precision, maintaining a fine, even spray pattern. Cars that neglect air filter care often start injector symptoms closer to 100,000 to 150,000 miles, while disciplined care keeps them clean well past 250,000 miles. Method number 5, strict oil quality and timely oil changes. Oil affects more than just bearings. Old or low-quality oil increases blow-by gases that travel through the PCV system and into the intake. These oily vapors coat intake valves and eventually reach injector tips, accelerating carbon buildup. Japanese drivers follow strict oil change intervals and use the exact oil viscosity recommended for their engines. Fresh oil reduces harmful vapors, improves combustion quality, and keeps injector tips cleaner over time. Skipping oil changes doesn't just damage bearings, it silently dirties injectors mile by mile. Clean oil equals clean combustion, and clean combustion protects injectors. Method number 4, avoiding cheap fuel. In Japan, fuel quality is tightly regulated, and drivers are extremely selective about where they refuel. Fuel quality and detergent consistency matter deeply to injector longevity. Lower quality fuel often lacks sufficient detergents, allowing deposits to form inside injector passages, even if the price is slightly higher. Over tens of thousands of miles, this choice prevents varnish buildup without any additives. Poor fuel doesn't cause instant injector failure. It slowly degrades spray precision until performance drops. Japanese drivers understand that paying a few extra cents per gallon is far cheaper than injector replacement or engine performance loss later. Clean fuel is long-term insurance. Method number 3, warming the engine gently. In Japan, revving a cold engine is considered one of the fastest ways to ruin fuel injectors over time. When an engine is cold, fuel does not atomize properly, and injectors are forced to spray heavier droplets instead of a fine mist, allowing carbon and varnish to stick much faster. Japanese drivers always allow the engine to idle briefly and then drive gently until operating temperature is reached. This gradual warm-up lets injectors heat evenly, improving spray precision and combustion efficiency. Over thousands of cold starts, this habit alone can determine whether injectors stay clean or slowly choke. Japanese engines last because they are warmed with patience, not rushed with throttle. Method number 2, maintaining a clean throttle body and intake. Japanese mechanics understand that injector cleanliness starts before fuel even enters the cylinder. When the throttle body and intake are coated with carbon, airflow becomes turbulent and inconsistent. This forces the engine computer to command injectors to spray more fuel than necessary, especially at idle and low speeds. That extra fuel doesn't burn cleanly and creates carbon that slowly coats injector tips. Vehicles with neglected throttle bodies often show injector-related symptoms as early as 70,000 to 100,000 miles, even when injectors themselves are mechanically fine. This habit alone can extend injector efficiency well beyond 200,000 miles without chemical cleaning. Many bad injectors suddenly behave like new after restoring clean airflow, which proves how closely these systems are connected. And that's it for this video. I have personally seen Japanese engines with injectors so clean, and it is never because of miracle products or aggressive cleaning. Quiet, disciplined habits repeated over years that prevent problems before they start. If you adopt even a few of these Japanese methods, your injectors won't just stay clean, they will deliver perfect fuel spray for the life of your engine.